at night. Just before Christmas, Santa knocked Jack's door. He asked Jack, "Do you have any wishes for Christmas?" Jack said, "Yes, but I do not want anything for myself, and please give toys for Mr. Noah." Santa said, yes. Christmas is all about giving and sharing. You have the real ornament of kindness. You understand the true meaning of Christmas. Making someone else happy makes you happy too. The time had come for Santa to go. He went outside